Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Google your home page in your Google Chrome. So you need to open the Google Chrome. Here go on the new tab, press on three dots on the right side and here go on setting. Here left options you can see there on startup, click on it and here I already added it so I had to remove it first. So it will be like this. So you need to go on the third option, open a specific page or set up page. Here add a new page and here you need to cite URL. What you need to do, you need to go on plus option and go on the other tab. Here type www.google.com and this side of your URL, this side you need to copy it and you need to paste it here and go and press add and there you go. Google is added as your home page on Google Chrome. Thanks, have a nice day.